Welcome to Pere Marquette Oaks RV Resort, located just south of Baldwin, Michigan, and about 30 miles due east of Ludington. The park is within a couple minutes of the Pere Marquette River, a popular trout stream where anglers come from all over the Midwest to test their skills, and canoes, kayaks, and rafts are available to rent and ride down the river all the way west to Lake Michigan. PM Oaks RV Resort is a condominium community where the residents own their lot and pay a small annual fee, under $1,000, to be a member of the association. And that fee pays for the amenities that include water, sewer, and trash service, weekly grass cutting, automated sprinkler system on every lot, 37 channels of cable TV, park-wide Wi-Fi, a heated pool and hot tub, sparkling clean bathrooms and showers, a picnic pavilion with coin laundry, and a clubhouse with kitchen. We've been work campers here for 2 summers now and have thoroughly enjoyed our time living and working in this beautiful park. They've really welcomed us with open arms and made us feel like family. Most of the owners live nearby in other Michigan cities and come to PMO, as we call it, on the weekends to get away from the hectic city life and relax with friends in the pool or around a campfire. There's maybe a dozen or so who make PM Oaks their permanent summer home and then winter in a warmer climate. Lots of extended families show up on the 3 major summer holidays, and we all have fun together, partying, eating potluck meals, taking part in the bike and golf cart parade, playing road golf, cornhole, and recognizing and honoring our owners who have served our country in military service. As work campers, we alternate our schedule with another couple, and we work 7 days on duty, then 7 days off duty. During our 7-day tour, we're on call and available 24 hours should a problem arise. But we only actually work about 3 to 4 hours each day. Our primary daily duties include morning cleaning of the bathroom, swimming pool, and hot tub, cleaning the picnic pavilion and the clubhouse, and then traveling on the park golf cart through the park 3 to 4 times each day to make sure everything's okay. We close up the pool and the hot tub at about 10 p.m. There are other duties that come up on a periodic basis, like weeding the flower beds at the front entrance and around the pool area, fertilizing and watering the flower beds, replacing light bulbs in the pavilion, mowing the road golf greens, raking the playground, and acting as security for the park. Because this is an owner-occupied park, there's no office for us to man, and there are no phone calls for us to answer. The association has a board of directors that meets regularly to manage the budget and to see that the park is operated and maintained to the benefit of the owners. This is a wonderful park filled with wonderful people that really treat us work campers like family. We'll miss them all, but our goal when we hit the road full-time was to see the country, and we can't do this if we keep coming back to the same place year after year. If you're a work camper and you have interest in spending your summer, May through September, in Northwest Michigan, send your resume with photos of you and your rig to me at herbsells@gmail.com, and I'll see that the appropriate board member gets your application. If you think you might have interest in buying one of the few lots that might be available right now, or if you want to rent for a few days for the season one of the few lots that some owners have available, visit the park website at www.peremarquettervpark.com. That's peremarquettervpark.com for more information and contact information. Thanks for watching. Take care and best of luck.